Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren if you're new here, and today I just got something in the mail that I wanted to share and kind of taste with you guys because I've been waiting to try this for a while, and it is the Organifi Gold Chocolate. Okay, so this is like a healthy hot cocoa and I'm so excited for it. I've heard amazing things. If you have watched my videos on this channel, you know that I am obsessed with everything Organifi. I'm super surprised I haven't tried this yet, but let's go ahead and do it. So if you are not familiar, Organifi Gold is a drink, a superfood drink that is meant to be consumed warm. So this one specifically is the cocoa, and it's gonna be like a hot chocolate. I'm really excited, but it's really great at helping to calm and relax the body. There's turmeric in here that'll help with inflammation, and it's detoxifying, tons of antioxidants in here. There's literally so many superfoods in here that are good for your body. The coconut sugar, which is way better for you than refined sugars. There's only 1 gram of sugar in each serving, which is 1 scoop. And as this says on here, it says that it'll taste good with a milk alternative. So I have a almond and coconut milk in here. I heated it up so it is hot, and I am going to mix 1 scoop. This literally smells like hot cocoa mix, like the Nestle hot cocoa mix that we probably all grew up on, that is absolutely horrible for you. I'm gonna use this hand mixer here and I'm gonna mix it up. And it's gonna froth up really nicely. So I would normally consume this before bed because all of the superfoods in here are going to be really great at helping to calm and relax the body, help the body get a really good night's sleep. If you didn't know, a good night's sleep is probably, in my opinion, the most important thing for your health, because that is when your body is recovering. That's when your cells are rejuvenating, and to get into a deep sleep, that is when your body actually recovers and your cells are regenerating and everything, your inflammation is reducing. You need that deep sleep in order for your body to heal itself, to take care of itself. So that's why I love Organifi's products, specifically their gold products, because they help with all of that. And this, guys, I don't know if you could see this, it like foamed up just like a hot chocolate would. I'm gonna taste it. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Like, this is so good. I actually think I like this better than traditional hot chocolate. Like, it literally tastes I have no idea how Organifi does this, because they make their superfood healthy drinks taste so good, but this tastes just like a hot chocolate, but it's way better for you. And I actually think I like this even more because I don't like things that are overly sweet. Like, when I drink a hot chocolate, if I do treat myself, which is totally fine every once in a while, don't get me wrong, I'm totally for that, but I don't like how it literally just tastes like you're drinking a cup of sugar. This, you can taste the cocoa. It's so rich, it's so good, it's so soothing. This is my new before bed drink. So you could make this with hot water. I definitely would recommend using it with like a milk or milk alternative. Again, I used like almond and coconut milk in here. It foamed up. I got this off Amazon for, I don't know, $10, maybe $15 at the most. And I use it for my coffee, all of my Organifi drinks. And this, I think mixing it up was a game changer too, because it made that like foam on the top of it. I don't know if you guys can like see that there, but it is so good. Okay, 10 out of 10, recommend. I'm so glad that I tried this with you guys. Again, I would normally consume it, and I'm going to consume it before bed, but it's the middle of the day and I just got the mail and this was in the mail. So I had to open it up and try it with you guys. Again, Organifi Gold Chocolate, full of superfoods. Everything in here is good for you. All of Organifi's products are absolutely amazing. I have a discount if you guys want to get this or anything else. I'll put in the description, but let me know if you guys have any questions about this specifically or any of Organifi's other stuff. I think this is my new obsession. I already love their regular gold drink, so the gold chocolate is just like a step above, which I don't know if that was even possible, but it is so freaking good. I'm going to go enjoy. Hopefully this was helpful if you guys are looking into this or if you're curious about if it's good or not. I mean, again, Organifi, in my opinion, I don't think there's one thing from Organifi I've tried that I have disliked, but everything that they produce is USDA certified organic. This one is gluten-free, soy-free, vegan, dairy-free, just all the good things. So check it out. If you guys have any questions, let me know again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you remember to subscribe and turn on the little notification bell to get notified of all my new videos if you enjoyed this one. And I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.